Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to black our mute sets to play sound in Chrome. So guys, if you want to turn off audio in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. After click on settings, scroll down, click on set settings, scroll down, click on additional contact settings, and here sound. So if you want to turn off audio in Google Chrome, so toggle off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy. If you want to block or mute sets to play sound in Google Chrome, that is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.